Welcome to another video. This is more of a rant than a vlog, but I've found YouTube lately has just become incredibly toxic. It's almost to the point I can't watch most channels. A lot of the channels I started with or I really liked before I got the car, and things that inspired me to get the car and start the videos and start this whole path I've been on, have just gotten to the point that they almost make me feel like I'm just wasting my time. The best example's got to be Street Speed 717. The guy gets a Corvette, he gets a Corvette, he gets a Corvette. He's been through like 25 Corvettes at this point, and now he's selling his ZR1 because you don't want to drive it more than twice around a track because you're going to get bored of it. And it's like, I don't know, I guess just that attitude is so toxic. You own a car that most people will never be able to achieve and be able to do things with it, even those who buy it don't do with it, and yet it's not good enough. So now you're getting into McLarens and you're getting into other tiers and other caliber of things. And I guess for me, as a guy who really enjoys his Camaro and has to live with it every day, it becomes a little bit defeating to watch this self-righteous ego, I guess, growing. And then he starts ripping on other people. And then an example would be It's Just a Six. I've never watched his videos, and after a lot of the content and the controversies I've seen go around, I will never watch his videos. I just have no interest. It just seems like such tit for tat. It just, like, I enjoy making videos, I enjoy sharing videos, but when it comes to watching YouTube, I am extremely selective on the people I watch, the time I spend watching. I'm trying to put myself in a positive attitude and environment, and I want to share with you guys nothing but positive attitudes and environment. And YouTube itself just seems to be so toxic, and YouTube seems to reward this heavily with channel success and growth, which really brings it back to the viewer. Like, us as viewers have to unsubscribe. We have to show these channels that, you know, you're really losing touch with why you are you and who you are. So I'm out. Like, I don't watch Street Speed 717 anymore. I don't watch Guitarmageddon ZL1. Their content has never evolved. They just do the same thing. They whine about the same thing. It's, you know, all the cops and my tires and this and that. It's like, again, I can't relate to that. I keep the front license plate on my car. Doesn't matter. Cops want it there, I put it there. Do I love it? No. But it is what it is. The car still looks ridiculously aggressive, and all the cars around me have it, so I sit back and go, I'm still the meanest looking car on the road. I just also happen to be legal. Not a bad thing. But I don't know. I know this is a never-ending controversy, and I know a lot of people will shift both ways, and the fanboyism or whatever kicks in, and people will defend their favorite channels till the ends of the moon. But it's just really disappointing that you have to really be conscious of what you're watching and what kind of a bad vibe they're putting in your head when you can't even appreciate what you have, because they are just so far ahead of you, and yet they don't appreciate anything that they have. So support the little guys, support the channels you like, comment, share the videos. I'm not asking you to do it to mine, I'm asking you to do it in general. It's very important. It's a part of being in the community. That's it. I'm going to leave it there. Till next time, drive safe, take care, behave, as always.